Good evening, everyone. I hope that all of you are having a really great time over here. Well, before commencing with this event, I would like to express my sincere thanks and warm welcome to His Highness Shaikh Nahyan Bin Mubarak Al Nahyan, His Excellency T.P. Sitharaman, diplomats, sponsors, and distinguished guests for having your presence at this remarkable event. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your host, FIFA, from Vertex Events, and I would like to welcome all of you at this very special night where you guys will witness the legend, the Bansuri Guru, Padma Vibhushan Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia and his troupe under the patronage of His Highness Shaikh Nahyan Bin Mubarak Al Nahyan, Ministry of Culture, Youth and Social Development.
I was looking at the list of the sponsor. I thought she will go through all the list explaining what they're doing, and we will be here until midnight. But thank God she stopped. Thank you for your consideration. My dear friend Ambassador, my dear friend Dr. Vedic, also Padma Shri Professor S.C. Manjantara, supporters of the India Foundation, distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen, I am deeply pleased to welcome the India Foundation to the United Arab Emirates. And I count myself unusually honored to welcome to our country the world's greatest master of the Bansuri Padma Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia perfectly represent the genius of India. Because outstanding citizens of India have long lived and worked in our country, we are quite familiar with Indian excellence in business, education, banking, and finance, administration, construction, the culinary arts, sports, and healthcare. In addition, we have long admired the ability of the Indian nation to accommodate a vast variety of religious views, ethnicities, languages, philosophies, and traditions. We routinely experience the genius of India. We know it when we see it. Tonight, we will hear it and know it. I imagine that everyone in attendance tonight has heard Hariprasad recordings or has seen a movie for which he wrote the music. Most people beyond the borders of India know the country through its music, its movies, its literature, its manufactured goods, its food, and if they are lucky, its citizens who live and work in their country. That population covers the world and is immense. 28 million, according to the Indian government at the beginning of this year. The World Bank tells us that last year overseas Indian remitted over 70 billion US dollars to accounts in India. A staggering amount. The breathtaking success of Indians abroad is nowhere more evident than in the Gulf, especially here in the United Arab Emirates. Over the years, the Indian community has been at the forefront of the many expatriate communities that have helped to make the United Arab Emirates a prosperous global crossroads. Their marvelous success speaks well for the Republic of India. They have habitually been prime movers in charitable projects concerned with the least fortunate people in society. They will no doubt support generously the wonderful work performed for the least fortunate by the India Foundation. My friends, ladies and gentlemen, occasions such as this musical evening highlight the importance of art in the human experience and the role of artists in contributing to the quality of life for all. The language of art connects us, remind us of our individuality, our common experience, and our potential to achieve. The United Arab Emirates, under the wise leadership of His Highness the President, Shaikh Al Nahyan, sustain a commitment to the fulfillment of human potential in every worthy endeavor. The United Arab Emirates and Dubai, Abu Dhabi have emerged as major centers of culture and arts in the region and the world. Let me close by noting that next month, Indians will all rejoice in the lighting of diyas for Diwali, which is a beloved element in India's culture and traditions. At the Diya India Foundation, I sense that a festival of lights is a daily occurrence, that on every day, light triumphs over darkness. Thank you for your resolve and your goodness. And thank you for bringing Hariprasad to the land of India's good friend, the United Arab Emirates. We are honored by his performance and wish him a very enjoyable visit to the United Arab Emirates. I wish the Diya India Foundation and all the people and institutions of India prosperity and continued well-being in the years to come. I hope you all enjoy the evening, which I'm sure you will. Thank you all, and God bless you. Thank you.
मैं भी आज रात भर नहीं उठूंगा, बजाता रहूँ, सच बता रहा हूँ। क्या सुनना है बोलिए? हाँ, पहाड़ी, हाँ क्या बोला? पहाड़ी, Okay, I will conclude my recital with a short piece of Pahari. Okay? Everybody is so quiet, I thought. No? Chalo. Thank you.